The Victorinox Architecture Urban2 collection sets a new benchmark in premium business gear for urban commuters and professional high flyers. Offering optimum business functionality, immaculate looks, and complete security, this collection is built for working on the move. With 360 degrees protection for electronic devices, an antibacterial lining, and maximized storage space, each piece provides effortless convenience for safe, agile traveling. Crafted from abrasion and water-resistant durable 300D polyester in a gray-black melange colorway, this range is tough yet sleek. The fabric undergoes up to 8 rigorous tests to ensure it meets our demanding resilience standards. The soft touch exterior features a high-density foam layer that gives extra support and protection to business essentials. Real leather accents add refinement and elegance, while the Alox pattern and red Victorinox design elements reflect the collection's Swiss heritage. Branded leather, lockable, and coated water-resistant zippers on selected pockets take security and style to new heights. All styles feature a side hook and hypalon hoop for a Victorinox ID tag. And the multi-purpose stretch pockets offer plenty of versatile space for a water bottle or umbrella. Subtle yet effective feet protect the base of the backpacks and tote bags. Expertly designed for maximized storage volume and easy access through fully opening zippers. Each piece ensures equipment is safely stored and simple to find. For extra hygiene, the lining is treated with Silvadur antimicrobial technology to inhibit the growth of microorganisms, even when cleaned as many as 40 times. For 360-degree device protection, Clever Stretch Secure Fabric closes the internal padded device compartment and prevents laptops from slipping or being damaged. Stay plugged in on the go with the earbud SoundPocket that fits most commercial-size earphones. The Deluxe Backpack features a discreet pocket to store an Apple Touch pen or other writing tools. From the station concourse to the boardroom, meet the demands of a busy working day with a tote that can be carried as a backpack or tote bag. Each piece in this collection features a pass-through trolley sleeve for stress-free, longer-distance travel. The Architecture Urban2 collection offers the option for personalization. The black scale included on the products can be replaced with a new personalized scale. Choose the scale color and message, the perfect opportunity to give the product a personal touch. Every carefully considered detail and feature has been designed to make business life better.